Sacha Noam Baron Cohen, born the 13th of October 1971, is an English actor, filmmaker, and comedian. Known for his creation and portrayal of the fictional satirical characters Ali G, Borat Sagdiyev, Brüno Admiral and Admiral General Hafez Aladeen. He has received various accolades, including the British Academy Television Awards and 3 Golden Globes, as well as nominations for 3 Academy Awards and 6 Primetime Emmy Awards. For his character work, Baron Cohen has been described as a performance artist. Baron Cohen began his career in television late-night series, the 11 o'clock show 1998-1999, winning the British Comedy Award for Best Male Newcomer, before creating and starring as his character Ali G in the satirical sketch comedy show Da Ali G Show 2000 to 2004, for which he received 2 British Academy Television Awards. He created and starred in the Showtime satirical mockumentary series Who is America? 2018, for which he earned a nomination for the Golden Globe Award for Best Actor, Television Series Musical or Comedy. He portrayed Eli Cohen in the Netflix limited series The Spy 2019, earning a Golden Globe Award for Best Actor, a miniseries or television film nomination, and acted in the Apple TV Plus limited series Disclaimer 2024. He starred as Mephisto in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, beginning with the miniseries Ironheart 2025. Baron Cohen wrote and starred in Borat 2006 and Borat's subsequent movie film 2020, which earned him the Golden Globe Award for Best Actor in a Motion Picture, a Musical, or Comedy, as well as a nomination for the Academy Award for Best Adapted Screenplay. For his portrayal of Abby Hoffman in the legal drama The Trial of the Chicago 7 2020, he was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. He also wrote, produced, and starred in the comedy films Ali G in the House 2002, Brüno 2009, The Dictator 2012, and Grimsby 2016, and has acted in drama films such as Sweeney Todd, The Demon Barber of Fleet Street 2007, Hugo 2011, and Les Miserables 2012. Baron Cohen voiced King Julian, the 13th in the Madagascar film series 2005 to 2012, and Uncle Hugo in Luca 2021. He has been a member of the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences in the actor's branch since 2008. Sacha Noam Baron Cohen was born into a Jewish family in the Hammersmith area of London on the 13th of October 1971. His mother, photographer Daniela, was born in British Mandatory Palestine in 1939 to German Jewish parents. His father, editor-turned-clothing store owner Gerald Jerry Baron Cohen, was born into a Belarusian Jewish family in London and grew up in the Welsh town of Pontypridd. Baron Cohen's paternal grandfather, Morris Moses Cohen, added Baron to his surname. His maternal grandmother, Liesel, lived in Haifa and trained as a ballet dancer in Germany before fleeing the Nazis in 1936. He has two older brothers, Aaron, a composer with whom he often collaborates, and Amnon. His cousins include autism researcher Sir Simon Baron Cohen, playwright Dan Baron Cohen, and filmmaker Ash Baron Cohen. Personal life, Baron Cohen met Australian actress Isla Fisher at a party in Sydney in 2001, and they became engaged in 2004. She later converted to Judaism, and they were married in a Jewish ceremony on the 15th of March 2010 in Milan and Paris. They have two daughters and a son. They divided their time between the Marylebone district of London and the Laurel Canyon neighborhood of Los Angeles before settling in Sydney. On the 5th of April 2024, they jointly revealed that they had filed for divorce at the end of 2023. On the 13th of June 2025, both Baron Cohen and Fisher announced that they had finalized their divorce while stating that they remain friends. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.